how to watch NHL games on Roku in 2025. First, you'll need to download the NHL app from the Roku channel store. Open the Roku main menu, go to the channel store and search for NHL. Once found, click Add Channel or Install. Once the app is installed, you can sign in with your TV provider credentials if you have a cable or streaming service that includes NHL coverage. Services like ESPN Plus, Sling TV, or YouTube TV offer access to NHL games, including national broadcasts. If you don't have a TV provider, you can sign up for NHL.tv through the app, which gives you access to live out of market games. This is perfect if you want to watch teams outside of your local area. To start watching, just open the NHL app on your Roku and browse the live games available. You can also check out game replays, highlights, and other content. Keep in mind that streaming services like ESPN Plus and Hulu may also offer NHL game broadcasts, but you'll need to subscribe to their services. Some games may be available for free depending on your provider. And that's it. With a Roku device, you can easily stream all the NHL action, whether it's live games, replays, or on demand content. Like and subscribe if this video helped. Thanks for watching.